It's lechon day. We're gonna have a lechon, a pig, and this is the pig, right? This is our piggy. Oh, so cute. And this is how he's gonna ride to the cookout, the family cookout. That's Zion, my little nephew, my nephew. Hi Zion. Okay, and then this one, the duck, and the chicken. Okay. Very nice.
Wow, there's chili. The piggy.
This is gonna be good.
Hey.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The catfish. And the pig.
And the duck.
Where's the duck?
In the back, behind the pig.
And the duck?
And the duck.
Oh my god, the lechon
Quack,
duck
quack.
that's over there. The quack, quack, quack. Pig.
I can't believe it's done in only 2 hours. I would think this would be a long time.
It's no time.
It's a long time?
It's the bird. And the duck. And the cooker.
Oh my God, so pretty. Woo!
Smoke flavor.
I'm gonna relieve you. I'm gonna relieve you from your.
Lubag ka ba? Isuwa. Nah, ini lang. Ano yun?
Yun!
Naya lang. Ibusa.
No, 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 hot, hot, hot.
Ato dito son. Bilang.
I see you. I think we're like this.
Naya lang. Tay, pino. Naya lang.
Hold his butt. Hold the butt. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, libusa. Tiyo, garay tarang. Sige. Balik.
Okay. And I hold the nose.
Ay, itong ano, plastic. Ja, mag-anak na mga o sa biyang ng panit. Mga subay lang.
Mama pun to sweet.
Ano man si Sayo na ganito.
Mama, what's that?
Hindi na lang ko eh.
Maghan po ka kay Uncle Chuck. Yun. Isibog ang ulo. Ang lawas niya.
Ilawon ko, Chuck.
Okay.
Yeah, still. Juice.
Di ako uyat so.
Isa ko yata sa likod ng sakwan.
Wala mong yapon ka pero sapi.
Ara ah.
Buglay mo. Dali ah.
Dali as yun. Naku bataan eh. May isa ka pa katrapo te?
Na, gawain mo lang. Pag-ibunyo mo ito.
Kasi hulog. Crispy?
Ilapos mo sa kanya?
Ano pa?
Tunga-tunga na siya.
Dalang. Dalang. Ay, wala na. Easy. Tulog-tulog na.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan.
Love.
Mm.
Kung isa ka, birahaw.
Don't take the nose off.
Ah, mag-isip ka rin. Mag-isip.